Number 1.
1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000. It's powered by a strong 5.7L Vortec V8 engine with 223,000 miles and is paired with an automatic transmission. The truck features a total lift of approximately 9 inches, combining both a suspension and body lift, and sits on aggressive 35-inch tires that still have plenty of tread left. It runs on gasoline and is finished in a tan exterior with a matching tan interior. Despite its mileage, the truck runs and drives smoothly with no mechanical issues reported. The interior is in very good condition for its age. Seats, dash, and carpet are all intact with no cracks or tears, though a minor cleaning would enhance its appearance. It also comes equipped with a quality sound system, including an amp and speakers, which delivers impressive audio performance. Additionally, it has a straight pipe exhaust setup that gives it a deep, aggressive tone.
Number 2.
1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $10,000. It's equipped with a 5.7L V8 engine, an automatic transmission, and rear-wheel drive, making it a dependable choice for both daily driving and light-duty hauling. While the truck does have a rebuilt title, it has been driven reliably since the repairs were completed and currently has no mechanical issues. The exterior and interior are both finished in a matching burgundy color, and the cabin remains clean and well-maintained, featuring original components. The cold air conditioning and working heat ensure year-round comfort. Regular oil changes and consistent maintenance have kept the truck in great running condition, and maintenance records are available to show the care it has received over the years.
Number 3.
1999 Dodge Ram 1500, price $6,500, powered by a strong and dependable 5.9L V8 engine. It delivers smooth performance thanks to its automatic transmission, making it an excellent choice for both daily driving and weekend tasks. Finished in its original white paint, the exterior has never been involved in any accidents and retains its factory look. No stories, no repaint, just clean, original panels.
The black interior is in exceptional condition, showing no signs of wear, rips, or stains.
The extended cab configuration offers generous rear seating, making it comfortable for passengers or extra cargo space. This truck comes with a clean title and includes a full Carfax report verifying its accident-free history. Additionally, it is accompanied by extensive physical service records, documenting routine maintenance and care throughout the years. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race.
Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1979 Toyota SR5, price $7,000, finished in a classic brown exterior with a tan interior. It retains its vintage charm while remaining fully functional. Powered by the durable 20R engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, the truck has covered 223,000 miles and is still used as a daily driver. The factory air conditioning system is intact and working but would benefit from an update and a recharge. All the lights have been upgraded to LEDs, enhancing visibility and modernizing its appearance.
It rides on 14-inch wheels complete with trim rings and center caps.
While the truck runs well and drives reliably, it does have some fluid leaks that may need attention.
Number 5.
1968 Ford F100, price $10,000. Both the exterior and interior are finished in black, with a striking custom flame paint job that turns heads wherever it goes. The original long bed has been skillfully shortened, cut down 16 inches in the front and 4 inches in the back, with the middle stake pockets filled to match the correct proportions of a factory short bed.
The truck rides on 18-inch wheels and includes a new gas tank, a welded differential, and a custom exhaust system with functional cutouts for Zoomy pipes.
Inside, it boasts all new door and window seals, a new windshield, and a new headliner, offering a refreshed driving experience. Importantly, the often challenging wiper motor conversion required in Crown Vic swaps has already been completed and is fully functional, making this build even more desirable.
Number 6.
1997 Ford F250, price $6,000, dependable pickup with 179,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a strong 460 V8 engine paired with an E40D automatic transmission, it delivers smooth performance and is configured as a 2WD. The truck features dual fuel tanks for extended range, factory 16 Alcoa wheels, and comes equipped with working air conditioning, hot heat, and cruise control, making it comfortable for long drives or daily use. The exterior is finished in blue, complemented by a gray interior. Despite its age, the body remains solid with no rust on the cab corners or rocker panels, which are common problem areas. While the main areas of concern for rust are above both rear fender wells, the overall structure is in good condition and clearly maintained.
Number 7.
1988 GMC 1500, price $4,200. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and features a bold red exterior that still holds its charm. Under the hood, it's powered by a 350 Chevy motor with a straight-piped exhaust, giving it a distinct, aggressive sound. The truck runs and drives well, and it recently passed inspection as of June 26. Despite its age, it's relatively rust-free, with only 2 minor spots on the rocker panels. While the interior could use a bit of attention, overall, it's a fun and dependable truck. The current owner just doesn't use it as much as expected, making it a great opportunity for someone looking for a classic daily driver or weekend cruiser.
Number 8.
1997 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,500. This truck is a solid and reliable workhorse that has been well maintained over the years. With 150,000 miles on the odometer, it features a strong 5.7L V8 engine paired with a smooth-shifting 5-speed manual transmission. The truck is equipped with a long bed, making it ideal for hauling, and it rides on heavy-duty 8-lug wheels, further emphasizing its capability. The exterior is finished in green, complemented by a tan interior, offering a classic and practical look. While the paint shows signs of fading from age, the vehicle remains mechanically sound. It starts easily, runs and drives great, and the transmission shifts smoothly, making it ready for daily use or job site duties.
Number 9.
1994 Chevrolet 2500, price $3,500. It's equipped with a 454 big block engine and has approximately 185,000 miles on the odometer, while the engine itself has 165,000 miles.
The truck features an automatic transmission and a clean pink slip is in hand.
A brand new transmission has recently been installed, and paperwork is available to verify the work. The exterior is finished in white and features a custom wing, a different grille design, and LED front lights for enhanced visibility.
Inside, the cabin is in solid condition with no rips and an uncracked dashboard.
It's also outfitted with a sound system, including one 10-inch subwoofer, 2 external speakers mounted in the grille, and additional speaker pods on top.
Number 10.
1979 Ford F150, price $9,900, finished in eye-catching yellow with a contrasting black interior. It features a manual 4-speed transmission paired with a mildly built 351 Cleveland V8 engine that delivers strong performance. The truck is equipped with a 4-inch lift kit and rides on a short bed sourced from the south. The bed is rust-free but does need minor repair on the lower corners near the rear bumper. Mechanically, the truck is in running and driving condition. It starts up, shifts smoothly, and has undergone numerous upgrades, particularly in the suspension, engine, and drivetrain. It's fitted with Sanderson frame hugger headers, and while the 4x4 system works, the front driveshaft needs new U-joints, as it currently operates with some noise.